मैं हूँ जल, जीवन की लहर, किंतु मंडरा रहा है आज मेरे ऊपर खतरे का पहर। हो गया मैं काला पीला, हे इंसान तूने मुझे करा विषया। मेरी मछलियां हुई बर्बाद, नदियां सागर में हुआ प्रदूषण आबाद। ये तेरे ही कारण है कि मैं हुआ ऐसा, तूने मुझे प्रदूषित कमाने को अपना पैसा। ना छोड़ेगी कुदरत बिन दिए कर्मों का फल तुझको। प्रदूषण फैलाया फैक्ट्रियां चलाकर तुमने जो। ना सिर्फ पेड़ सूखेंगे, ना सिर्फ नदियां सागर सूखेंगे, ना सिर्फ घर चिड़ियों के टूटेंगे, ना सिर्फ जानवरों का आएगा काल। कि इंसान तेरे ऊपर भी बरसेगी वो स्थिति अकाल। गंगा मैया को पूछते जहां, क्यों जल की कोई कीमत ना वहां। हिमालय पर्वत से बही जो सुंदर नदियां, क्यों उनकी बदली दिशा भैया। क्यों मच रहा ये अकाल, क्या आ रहा मनुष्य तेरा पाल। क्यों सूख रहे ये जंगल, क्यों न रहा धरती वासियों का जीवन मंगल। अब तो जाग, अब तो जाग, जल ही जीवन इसे संभाल। With this beautiful poetry, I would like to start this beautiful morning. A very warm and cheerful good morning to respected director ma'am, principal ma'am, and teachers, and my dearest friends. Water ecosystem and human development is the leading theme of this year's Water Week. Do you know? Earth is the only known planet to have liquid bodies on it. After air, water is the vital requirement for all living organisms on Earth. All the ecosystems, whether aquatic or terrestrial, cannot flourish without water. Clean and fresh water can make an ecosystem healthy. Healthy and freshwater ecosystem is a main tool for human development. It will provide neat and clean water in the society, and because of this, no diseases will be there in the society which always spread from contaminated water. Clean fresh water keeps all the organisms healthy, either aquatic or terrestrial. Clean fresh water with full of nutrients make our soil fertile and increase productivity. No diseases, healthy organisms, and increase in food production make us economically strong and develop. Now, my friends from 8A will present few scenes which will inform you about water conservation. Scene 1. The fishes are dancing happily in the ocean.
A hammerhead shark, move like a hammerhead shark. Boom, bam, bam, hammerhead, bang, 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 hammerhead, boom, bam, bam, hammerhead. I'm a hammerhead shark. A sea turtle, move like a sea turtle. Tootie tap, tootie tap, tootie tap, tootie tap, tootie tap, tootie tap. I'm a sea turtle. A walrus, move like a walrus. Kumbay, kum, 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 kumbay, kum, 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 kumbay, kum, kum, kum. I'm a walrus. Come on, let's all dance with the animals. Come on, let's all dance with the animals. A lobster, move like a lobster. Snap, snap, snappity, snap, 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 snappity, snap, 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 snappity, snap. I'm a lobster. An octopus, move like an octopus. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. I'm an octopus. A manta ray, move like a manta ray. Super duper duper hey, super duper duper hey, super duper duper hey. I'm a manta ray. Come on, let's all dance with the animals. Come on, let's all dance with the animals. Dance with the animals.
Suddenly, something happens there.
What's happening to me? What's happening to me? Why there's so much itching on my body? Rashes are there on my body.
There are so many rashes on my body.
Look here, rashes are formed on my body also.
This happens because of the chemical present in water, and these chemicals are thrown by the cruel humans.
He is throwing chemicals, pollutants directly into the water bodies, which are harmful for all of us.
He is thinking that this earth is only for him.
I think we cannot survive on this planet for a long time.
You are right. We need to search for a new planet to live.
Yes, you are also right.
Scene 2. There's an auction going on for a bottle of water.
Auction auction. There is an auction going on for this water bottle. Who needs this water bottle?
I need this water bottle.
I also need this water bottle.
I too.
Okay, then tell me, how much are you going for pay this water bottle?
I will pay 2000 rupees for this water bottle.
What? Only 2000? 2001, 2002, 2003.
I will give 2500 rupees.
What? Only 2500 rupees. 2501, 2502, 2503.
I will pay 3000 rupees.
What? Only 3000? 3001, 3002, 3003.
Papa, I want this water bottle.
Sir, your son is asking for this water bottle.
Okay, I will pay 5000 rupees for it.
Okay, now this bottle belongs to you.
This is unfair. We also want it. I want it.
I need it.
Suddenly, everyone starts fighting.
It is not a joke. If we waste water like this, then the day will come when we'll all fight for air and water with each other. Now, my friends will tell you a few facts about water consumption in our day-to-day life. In household activities.
Household water uses. Common household water uses consume a lot of water. Do you know? For one shower, we approximately take 150 liters of water. Washing machine takes 100 liters of water per load. Kitchen sink takes 80 liters of water. Bathroom sink used for washing hands, shaving, brushing teeth takes 60 liters of water. Much of our residential freshwater resources are also used for watering lawns, flower beds, vegetable gardens, washing cars, as well as filling the swimming pools.
In communities.
Cities use water for firefighting, street cleaning, watering public areas such as parks, shrubs, herbs, flowers, trees, grasses, etc. Water is also used to fill public fountains, not counting the water that is used by restaurants, hospitals, laundries, dry cleaners, golf courses, health clubs, as well as other businesses in towns or cities.
In farming.
When we think of water on farm, we think of watering crops. But the amount of water needed on a dairy farm is just as large, such as chickens, pigs, sheep, and all other animals in farmyard need water to stay alive. Vegetables and grain crops also require water. And you know, it takes hundreds of liters of water to produce only 1 ear of corn, while it takes 1 lakh liter of water to produce only 1 pound of beef, and around only 120 gallons of water is used to produce one single egg.
In generating electricity.
Hydroelectric plants capture the kinetic energy of falling water to make electricity and are the largest users of water.
In industries, water is also an important element in many products like chemicals, cosmetics, lotions, shampoos, drugs, and cleaners. In recreation and transportation.
Many people enjoy fishing, boating, sailing, canopying, rafting, swimming, as well as many other recreational activities that depends on water.
For all these activities, we need fresh water. If there will be no fresh water on Earth, no life will be possible on Earth. No diversity, no development will be there on Earth. Now my friends will recite few slogans.
It is not fun to let the water run.
Don't waste it, just taste it.
Life is dependent on water, and saving water is dependent on you. Think before water and we sink.
Save water every day and keep disaster away. Start a new revolution against water pollution.
Slow the flow, save H2O.
Don't let the
forget to
water
save rain. Let's prevent tomorrow's pain.
don't let the water run in the sink. Our life is in the drink.
Now we will recite our poems. जल है जीवन का धन, ये सबकी प्यास बुझाता, पर कर रहे हैं इसे बर्बाद। नल खुला छोड़ते हर बार, एक एक बूंद है जरूरी, इसके बिना है जिंदगी अधूरी। जल है जीवन का धन, ये सबकी प्यास बुझाता, इसे बर्बाद करने की मत करो नादानी, क्योंकि इसके बिना है जिंदगानी अधूरी। जैसे खिल उठती है कलियां पाकर बारिश की बूंदे, वैसे खिल उठेगा फ्यूचर पानी अभी बचाकर। जल है जीवन का धन, ये सबकी प्यास बुझाता, जल है तो कल है। Water, water everywhere, to wash my hands and wash my hairs. It's nice to drink it by the pool, slurp it, sip it, nice and cool. It comes from clouds, don't you know? Falls in rains and snow. Keep it clean or you will be. We are lucky here at school to have clean water to keep us cool. Think of others when you get paid and give a bit of water aid.
जोर से लगी हो पानी की प्यास, पानी ना हो कहीं आस पास, कैसी होती है व्याकुलता, कैसा कष्टप्रद एहसास। पानी प्रयोग करते समय रखो इसका ध्यान, पानी बहुमूल्य है ना हो इसका नुकसान।
Now, I would like to perform my dance.
ये पानी जिंदगानी, ये पानी जिंदगानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का पानी। ये पानी जिंदगानी, ये पानी जिंदगानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का पानी। हरे भरे जो पेड़ हों तो अच्छा लगता है, धूप गर्मियों में भी ठंडा लगता है। हरे भरे जो पेड़ हों तो अच्छा लगता है, धूप गर्मियों में भी ठंडा लगता है। खुद को बचाना है तो ना करे नादानी, पानी जिंदगानी, ये पानी जिंदगानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का पानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का पानी।
Now, I would like to invite our class teacher, Mrs. Reena Sharma ma'am, to throw some light on this topic.
Thank you, Ritik. As my students has already told you about water ecosystem and human development. Without water, no ecosystem can flourish, and without ecosystem, we cannot expect that life is possible there. Any development can take place there. Water is the basic requirement for all the living organisms on this earth. My dear students, if no water is there, then no life will be there. You all know that approximately 70% of Earth's surface is covered with water. If 70% water is there on this earth, then what is the need to conserve this water? Do you know? In this 70%, only 97.5% 97.5% water is not of any use. This is salty water. We can use only 2.5% water. And the percentage of this water is same from the starting of the universe. This is only 2.5. But our population is increasing in continuation. It's increasing drastically. So to fulfill the requirement of our population, it is the need of our to conserve water for our next generations. If we will not conserve water for our next generations, then one day will come when the third world war will be there only for fresh air and fresh water. My dear students, fresh air, fresh water, living organisms, plants, these all are our natural heritage. And this is our major responsibility to preserve all these natural heritage and transfer these natural heritage to our next generations. But are we doing this? Are we transferring our natural heritage to our next generation? Do you want to know what we are transferring to our next generation at the name of natural heritage? I will show you few pics which will tell you that what we are transferring to our next generation at the name of natural heritage. We are transferring thirst. We are transferring diseases. We are transferring thirst, hunger to our next generation. Empty hands for food, for water, and there are lots of diseases. Do you think, are they really deserve this? Huh? Can you imagine your life without water, without fresh air, without food? If we can't, then why are our next generations? We have to think over it. We are enjoying this nature because our ancestors, they used it in a very beautiful way, very beautiful manner, in a sustainable way. Now this is our time. We have to conserve all these resources for our next generation. Otherwise, we have to search a new planet. And on that planet, because of our habit, on that planet also we will do the same. So this is the need of our to conserve these natural resources and transfer these natural resources to our next generation. Fresh air, fresh water, fresh food, okay? Beautiful creations which are created by God, beautiful nature which we can transfer to our next generation. Now, I will show you one video which is prepared by me with my self-composed poem. I can expect from you that you people will observe it, not watch it, observe it, please.
भगवान ने भेजा जब धरती पर पानी, शुरू हुई इस धरती पर जीवन की कहानी। नदियां, झरने, तोते, चिड़ियां, पेड़ पौधे और खुली वादियां, बारिश में मोरों की खुली पंखुड़ियां, फूलों पर मंडराती तितलियां। हर जीव प्यार से रहता था और गीत खुशी के गाता था। कुदरत के हर नजराने का हर पल वो शुक्र मनाता था। पर जैसे ही इंसान रूपी जानवर की नजर इस धरती के खजानों पर पड़ी, उसकी क्रूरता को देख ये धरती माँ भी रो पड़ी। अपनी उन्नति की खातिर उसने कुदरत के हर उपहार का अपमान किया। कभी पेड़ों को काटा, कभी जानवरों को मारा और कभी परिंदों के घोंसलों को बर्बाद किया। कभी हवा, कभी जल, तो कभी मिट्टी को प्रदूषित किया और धरती पर ढेर सारी फैक्ट्रियां लगाकर धरती का हर मौसम ही बदल दिया। अरे उन्नति की बात करते हो, कामयाबी की बात करते हो, आगे बढ़ने की बात करते हो और दुनिया से लड़ने की बात करते हो। ऐसे होगी उन्नति, ऐसे मिलेगी कामयाबी। प्रकृति के साथ खेलकर, परिंदों के घर उजाड़कर, अपने बच्चों की सांसों से हवा छीनकर, उन्हें पानी की एक एक बूंद के लिए तड़पता छोड़कर। अरे उन्नत होना है तो उठो, जागो और सबको जगाओ। जल रूपी अमृत को बचाने की खातिर छोटे छोटे कदम अभी से उठाओ। स्वच्छ, सुरक्षित, हरा भरा कल आने वाली पीढ़ी को उपहार में देकर जाओ। आने वाली पीढ़ी को उपहार में देकर जाओ।
Thank you. I think you all will think over it. Now I will request from all my students that they will take a pledge position to take save water oath. Students, please take pledge position.
I take an oath
I take an oath
to conserve water
to conserve water
and to use water wisely.
and to use water wisely.
I pledge to consume water judiciously
consume water judiciously
and not waste even a drop of water. I will treat water as the most precious treasure that I possess.
And use water accordingly. I pledge to motivate my family, friends, and neighbors to use water wisely and not waste it. It is our planet and only we can save it. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. And please, please, please save water.